Welcome to yet another class of business studies. In our previous class, we have seen the classification of economic activities as profession, employment, and business. Now, today we shall see or we shall further elaborate this economic activities or rather business activities. So today we shall see the classification of business studies. Business is broadly classified into industry and commerce. As a general discussion or in common parlance, what we can say about industry is, if you ask a general people, he would say industry is a place where production takes place. But as a student of commerce, we shall not confine ourselves only to a place, but rather we shall include the activities which are concerned with production of goods and services by different use of different resources. So if we are to define industry, we can define industry as an economic activity which is connected with conversion of resources into some useful goods and products. We know we are imbued by nature with different resources, and we use these resources either in their raw form or they being processed under some process and then use them for our consumption or in further production of goods and services. So generally speaking, industry refers to all those economic activities which are concerned with conversion of goods or useful the natural resources and general resources that we have into some useful goods, useful products. If we go by this definition, we would see that what do we do with the resources when we convert them into some useful product. It is not only the simply goods or the resources that we are using for production of goods and services. We are at the same time applying some mechanical means, some process, or we are using some human skill which is required, which is necessary. Human skill, technical skill, they are required, and we use it for converting those goods into a finished product, into a useful goods. When we convert it into useful good, we are engaged in use of some mechanical methods, device, and use of some mechanical skill, technical skill, human skill for converting those resources into a useful goods. Now, depending upon the nature of the product that is being converted, that is being modified, and that is being used in production of goods and services, and the resources that is used, we classify industry into three broad categories: primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Under primary industries, we include those activities which are connected with extraction and production of some materials by the use of natural resources that we have. These industries, primary industries, they provide the basic raw material for other type of industries. So in the line of product or line of production, primary industry falls into the first line of industries for production. We make use of natural resources for extraction and production of goods and services, and then the goods that is being produced by primary industries, these goods are transferred to secondary industries. Now, depending upon the goods that is being manufactured, that is being made, that is being produced, goods can be either producer good, goods can be, what is producer good? I will tell you first. Producer goods are those goods which are used by some other industry in further production, like machinery, like tools. They are being used by some other industries in their work. It can be consumer goods that is being directly consumed by the consumers, or it may be intermediate goods where goods are processed. Take an example, cotton. It can be processed into threads and then they are finally woven into clothes. So these goods that is being manufactured, that is being produced, it falls into the categories of either producer goods, either consumer goods, or either intermediate goods. Then coming to the secondary industries. Secondary industries are those industries, as the name says, they are secondary. So here, secondary industries are basically concerned with conversion of the raw material or the goods and services that are produced by the primary industries, if we can say. I have written here in the chart that what is the work, what do they do with the goods that is being produced, that is being manufactured by primary industries. So further goods are processed, further goods are made by processing of those resources, those goods that is being manufactured by primary industries. So they can be either analysis, that is breaking a goods into its simpler components, simpler parts. For example, crude oil, it is being extracted from the oil wells. Now the crude oil in the process of refining gives us various products, petroleum, diesel, jellies, petrol jellies, all these products, they come up in different stage of processing the goods. When we split up into further stages, into further process, then there is synthetic or synthetic industries where two and more goods are combined to form a new goods. Then we can move to other type of goods, that is, there is ASIP, that is analytical, that is synthetic, that is manufacturing, and then that is we go for a production. So this secondary industries, they could be either of manufacturing or they could be construction. They deal with construction, making of bridge, construction of building, and other works. Now the third category is, that is tertiary industries. They are not basically an industries of which are concerned with goods, but they are brought into the category of industries because they provide useful services which are necessary for use of the goods that is being manufactured by either primary industries or secondary industries. So they facilitate the use of the goods that is being manufactured by primary industries and secondary industries, and hence they are known as ancillary or tertiary industries. Now, if we go by the chart, we can have a definition over here that business activities is broadly classified into industry and commerce. Now, what is industry as we have defined? It is an economic activities that is concerned with conversion of material or resources into finished product. Here, we convert material and resource into a finished product. Now, these finished product, they fall into three broad categories. They can be producer good, they can be consumer good, and they can be intermediate goods. So here, what we actually do when we convert them, we create a form utility. We convert their form and make it more useful. How do we convert? How do we make this form utility? So what is the basic activities that we do under industries? We either engage in production or manufacturing or growing some goods by the use of natural resources, or we extract, that is we harness the natural resource, or we process the goods that we have manufactured and we have produced. Then here, these industries are further classified as primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Primary industries, as I have said, it is basically concerned with genetic industries. Now, genetic industries is basically concerned with raising or rearing of animals and plant or species of plants and animal by manipulating their genetical codes, biological codes. We use it for further production. Then extractive industries are basically concerned with taking benefit of or extracting from natural resources goods which can be used in further production, or they can be used in other industries, or they can be used by consumers directly. So there is genetic industry and extractive industries. We extract. So these all basically classify what type of activities is being carried in an industries. Then secondary industries, that is basically concerned with manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing industries, if we see, is further classified into four basic categories. That is, this manufacturing industries is basically classified as analytical industries, that is A here, it stands for analytical industries, S stands for synthetic industries, P stands for processing industries, and I, that stand for assembling. It should be I. So it should be assembling. A, that is assembling industries, where different finished components are, like automobile industry. That is a very good example of assembling. Computer peripherals, parts, they are being manufactured in different parts, and then all those finished products, they are being assembled at a place to give or to make a new product. Television sets, where different components of televisions are being manufactured in different industries and they are being assembled in another industries. So therefore, we manufacture goods by analysis, breaking the components of goods into simpler substance, simpler goods. Synthetic, that is combining two or more resources to make a new product. Processing industries, processing of raw materials to give a new product, or assembling. The example is television, the example is computer. Then we have construction industries. Now these industries, they play a major role in laying the infrastructure in our country. So these industries, they provide major construction infrastructure which is necessary for the development of our country and which is necessary for carrying out other industrial activities. third comes the category of tertiary industries. Now these tertiary industries, I have said, they basically facilitate the activities of these two industries, primary industry and secondary industries. Here we have banking, we have transport, we have warehousing, we have advertising. There are more. We can have insurance as well. So this is all about a brief outline of industry. We shall proceed. Till then, enjoy the lesson.